Hello. Today I'm going to be starting a 2 or 3 video series on setting princess cut stones. This is going to be a bit technical, but I'm going to try and make it easy as possible during the next few videos. What I'm going to be doing right now is sanding off the top of the claws, so I'll see exactly how the claws are going to be looking. I don't want to have the light bouncing off the tips of the claws and hitting me in the eyes. Once this is done, I'm going to get my pair of pliers and very carefully bring back each claw just enough that I can open it up and have the stone almost fall into its place. I'm going to close the jaws of the pliers in this configuration, and you can see how much or how little the claw is moving back. That's all I'm going to do, nothing more than that. The next thing I'm going to do is get my round burr, about a 007 round burr, and I'm going to make a notch right in the corner. Get some oil on the burr, always. Just down 1/3 from the top of the claw. Why? Because this is where the corner of the stone will be resting against, but not, I repeat, but not making any contact with the stone. I want to free the corner of the stone and keep it free, because if there's, in case there's any touching of the diamond to the metal when I'm tightening the stone, I will probably chip it, and that is a not nice thing to have done. How far into the claw am I going? About half the thickness of the round burr, not fully, not to exceed 50% of the claw. I'm going over it again. I'm happy with that, with the results. I'm going to get my little paintbrush and remove all vestiges of silver so I can see exactly what I have. I want to get my little stone and see how it looks. Just going in. Very good. Now, I'm going to change the burr from a round to a bud burr. I'm going to use the bud burr extensively. I'm going to, from the round burr indentation, I'm going to make a drill mark right to the bottom.